Yo, all right, so we're at the shop again. I brought in the heavy artillery. Cousin King needs no introduction. Working man. This is the plan of action. Let me show you what we got going on. So, gotta get these hoists out the way, get the Chevelle fired up and out. Actually, I haven't driven that thing since like October. So, get all this stuff cleared off. To get the Caprice out, I gotta put the wheel back on the Caprice, and then that's gonna come out. I think I'm gonna fire that up and drive it out, even though the brakes ain't all of it sorted. Be a lot easier. Then we'll pull the Jeep around, get the Caprice loaded up, take it to my buddy Eric's house, and then we'll be good to go. Yeah, should go real smooth. What do you think? Yes. All right, so let's get it. Time lapse. First startup in, I don't know, 9 months. That was pretty smooth. So now what we have to do is get all this brake stuff into the Caprice. So put all the stuff in the back seat. I'll take this stuff off and I'll put these rotors and stuff inside. And then we can bring it out. All right, so everything's inside. We're gonna go run to the gas station, fill up that gas can right there, and then I'm gonna drive the Caprice out instead of pushing it And it'll make it a lot easier for us to get it on the trailer. Although I do have the muscle today, I don't really want to strain it. And they're right, Big King. Yeah. He got a jobby job. He's working now. Strong back, strong like bull. So pick up back here with the gas can. So this is the unfortunate part about being a car guy in the Pacific Northwest. We didn't get everything done last night. We ran out of daylight. So get up today, it's raining. But here's what it is. So I'll get the Chevelle, let me turn this around. So I'll get the Chevelle pulled out again, and then I'll be able to get the Caprice out. I'll put the Chevelle probably over there somewhere. Then I'll bring the Caprice out, load it up on the trailer, get over to my buddy Eric's house, and then we'll get to working on it on Monday. Got a couple things going on, but still making progress, baby. This is as real as reality TV gets. I haven't started this car I drove in here like over a year ago. It's going on almost 2 years. So, for the battery and the gas too. Cousin King's never heard it run in person. What you say? Did you guys talk on 2 years? Yeah. Yeah, it'll be 2 years in September, I believe. Right. But I pulled everything out of there for that car. It needs stuff. Okay, gas line. All right, so once again, do as I say, don't do as I do. Got the gas can ratchet strapped in there because we have no gas tank in here right now. So that way we can push it out or drive it out. I'm gonna push it all the way to the front of the shop, and then it only has to go a little bit out the shop. Then it'll be easier to put on the trailer too, so. Yeah, like I said, do as I say. Don't do this, okay? Don't do this. Don't do it. All right, first start in over a year. About a year and a half.
Hey, can you hold this open? Yes, hold it. Hold this. Other way. Hold this. So, first one was that. There you go.
Car's gonna be bone dry because Dave and I rebuilt it. I haven't ran it since, so let's see what happens. Remember, I never put the linkage back on. So, this thing would have took off if I put it in gear and over. So, yeah. Oh, I mean, I can feel it as soon as I touch the brake pedal or when you touch the gas and went to the floor. I'm like, I ain't got no linkage. Okay, so now we have linkage. Okay, let's try some more. Also, I remember I need to change that thermostat housing because it's also leaking. It's got a crack in it. That's fine. Make sure I can control the throttle.
Good thing I moved away.
What?
Said the good thing I moved away. Also,
Once I
the
put it,
elevator would have got hit.
well, again, that's why luckily it's in neutral. I mean, it's a stick, so that's the good part. It wants to run.
Oh shit!
What? Oh, it's leaking antifreeze. I know that.
Yeah.
That's out the thing. But it only wants to start in first gear. Let's see. No, that's antifreeze just dripping like crazy. Okay, I'm gonna try to drive it out instead of just starting it all up in here. Get that wheel chart ready. Where is it? Wheel top ready. Okay. And all that smoke's just antifreeze, so nice. Heck yeah. All right, well, now we'll get the trailer pulled around. Let me turn my lights off. Get the trailer pulled around, get it loaded up, and go. I'm happy. Yeah, you didn't think it ran. Ye of little faith. What you think though? Let's say get some extra exhaust on it. Sound all right, huh?
A lot of antifreeze in your.
Yeah, it's basically just leaking like I said. That's okay. All right.
Yeah, it would have been a dick move to pull up.
To pull up?
I mean, do this last night.
Yeah, exactly. That's what I said. It's way too loud between the Chevelle and this. Yeah. So, all right. Time lapse.